going to talk about kaolin, fire clay, and ball clay. Okay, so kaolin comes from a couple of things, but mostly from feldspar and water. The water washes away the sodium or the potassium or the calcium and leaves kaolin. Okay? It takes a very long time.
เป็นดินที่ถูกล้าง
Yeah, ben din feldspar ti lang nan. Yeah.
Does it come from the factory?
No, it comes from the earth, the planet. It happens in the planet. It takes a very long time. So the water comes down on the mountaintop and starts to dissolve lalai sodium jak feldspar. But lalai yak. So it takes a very long time, many millions of years.
So kaolin เป็นดินธรรมชาติ
Yes. Kaolin ben din tamachat, feldspar ben hin tamachat. Yeah. So, when right, if the what?
In kaolin have feldspar too?
Usually a little bit, but it washes away. Usually kaolin has got all the feldspar washed away, or at least most of it. Kaolin usually has some silica mixed in.
Just a little bit of things.
Yeah, it's not pure. But when it is very pure, when it has stayed right where it was made and not washed down the hill, usually that is called kaolin because it's pure. When pure, no iron.
Okay.
Left where it was made, it's called kaolin. Okay, when it washes down the hill, it still has little iron and can fire hot, but is not as pure. Fire clay. Okay, when it washes very fine and usually deposits in a lake, very small particles. So usually kaolin doesn't completely come apart. It's in sheets. For ball clay, if it's washed a whole lot, the sheets start to break apart and it gets more plastic. That's ball clay.
Oh, so
but they are really the same thing with different impurities and different particle sizes.
Okay. Kaolin bigger particle, but ball clay is very fine, small, and more pure.
And no, less pure, more impure. Ball clay is more impure than fire clay or kaolin usually.
Because your kaolin will be sit there.
Right where it was made. It doesn't have to wash anywhere. But it's very not plastic. So you remember at the bowl factory? Did you go to the bowl factory?
Where?
In Lampang.
Yeah.
You remember the machines that ground it like this? Sometimes if you don't do that with kaolin, it's completely not plastic. In Great Britain, they use a big hose
That's
and
it.
to break it apart.
Mhm.
Um,
So the plastic will fairly stick together.
the kaolin sticks together, and it's not plastic; it's too big.
Uh-huh.
So sometimes kaolin is terrible,
Uh-huh.
but still kaolin.
Understand now. I need to make it in Thai ด้วย
Yeah, and so they mixed up these things.
ต้อยไปเอาสมุดก่อนนะจด
Okay,
ด้วยเป็นภาษาไทยด้วย
okay. I'll finish this and then repeat myself. Most U.S. red clays are just kaolin with more impurities.